Hi friends, I'm so excited to be here today to share with you a new tool that I've recently learned about and incorporated into my newest bag design called the Truvy Bag. So this is the heavy duty snap plier tool from Dritz, and I'm just going to show you how to use it if you've ever wondered how to install metal snaps. This is a removable pocket that's going to be inside the Truvy Bag. I've already marked placement of where the snaps will be, so I just want to explain the tools and how the snap pliers work. So the snap plier has these holes, and you can put the parts, interchangeable parts, in either side, so it doesn't matter which side that you're putting them in. We're first going to start with these top snaps that will go on the top of the pocket. So this piece is the bottom of the hole punch, so we'll just snap it in, and it just pushes right in. And then this piece here, it's the coned piece that's smooth, will go in the top, and that's what we'll use to punch our holes. So you just want to make sure that you get that in there tight. You can see how that looks. So we're going to take our removable snap pocket, and if you can see that hole, we're going to just punch right in the hole. And I marked it with a friction pen so that it could be removable. You can see I just punched that hole. So we're going to flip it around and punch the other side. So now we have our holes punched, and we're ready to get the correct snap pieces to attach. We're going to have to change out the parts. The snap plier comes with this tool that helps you pop out the interchangeable parts. So you just use that, and you can pull that out and do the same thing. It kind of hooks on the back end of there, and then this thing goes around there, and it just pops it out just enough so that you can grab it and pop it out. Now we're going to be putting the top pieces of the snap here. This is the top piece of the snap with its corresponding bottom piece. We're going to put that right in here through the hole, like that. And then we'll be able to just put that other corresponding piece on the bottom. Now we need to put the correct parts on our plier tool to be able to secure that snap. If you can see on this black piece, this is round here, so the top of the snap will fit right in there. So we're just going to pop that on. And then we're going to pop on this piece. It's got the angled edges, and that will help press out the metal to keep it secure in place. We're going to put the snap right in there and fit into that black piece, and then we're going to just snap it right in. And I just like to push it as hard as I can. And you can see it spread out that metal piece so that you can see that the snap is secure. We're going to go ahead and attach the other side. Now the top of our snaps are completed and ready to go. We're gonna now attach the bottom snaps to our snap facing. So now to attach the bottom snaps, we're gonna have to change out the interchangeable pieces out of our snap plier. We're gonna take our tool and pop out these snap tools. Set those aside. We're going to attach the hole punch again so we can punch holes in the bottom. The same two pieces, the smooth cone punch and then the hole puncher. And I have my snap facing here, and I already have it marked where I want to punch my holes, but it's always a good idea before you attach any snap to match these up. So these ones are lined up on my snap facing, so I know that my snap placement is going to be in the correct place. So I'm just going to punch those holes, and those are ready to go. So we'll just remove these pieces again. And since we've already done the top of the snap, we don't need this part anymore. We just need the bottom of it. And you can see that this piece will fit right inside this. So that's what we're trying to find, the matching part. And then we get the beveled cone part for the other half. Now what we're gonna do is pop the bottom half of the snap through the bottom. And then this goes right on top, and so then that's the metal part that we're going to be crunching down. So I always like to just make sure that it's right in there and then right in place, and then pressure to snap that together. You can see that's attached now. We're going to put our other side on. And now I have my snap facing snaps on. And now I'll go attach this to the bag with my sewing machine, but you can see that these will just snap right into place once that is attached. And I'll show you the final result of the bag. Now I have attached my snap facing in the inside of my Truvy bag. You can see I just stitched around 1/8 of an inch around here, which gave me space to sew around my snaps. And I will just go ahead and snap the removable snap pocket inside my bag like that. So you can see there's these 2 pockets, and then I have the other 2 bigger outer pockets, and then it all closes with the magnetic snap.